it?
Makes the shoulders ache.
Yeah? Look at the airplane.
On the left side, Don, I'm sorry. Hammerhead. Don gets some speed up, goes back up towards the sun, keeps on going. There's a little bit of a tail slide here. Back up on the throttle, brings the speed back up, because he was going just about nowhere just a second ago. Slow rolling climb there, and Don's going to turn around and come back around.
Academy invites you to enjoy the following demonstration of glider aerobatics. The glider you will see today is the TG-10C Sabre, also known as the Atlantic L-13AC, and is one of 22 gliders used by the 94th STS to develop and inspire tomorrow's warfighting leadership through the dynamic experiences of soaring. Piloting the TG-10C Sabre is Cadet First Class Scott Hatter, a member of the Air Force Academy Glider Aerobatic Team and glider instructor pilot. At the Air Force Academy, Cadet Hatter is one of 150 cadet instructor pilots who instruct over 11,000 flights a year at the busiest VFR airport in North America. To perform the maneuvers you'll see today, Cadet Hatter accomplished advanced training teaching him how to control the glider near its limits. Cadet Hatter just released from the TG-10C Sabre from the tow plane and is maneuvering the setup for his aerobatic demonstration. During this demonstration, Cadet Hatter will fly at speeds between 0 and 115 knots, pulling up to 5 Gs and pushing up to negative 3 Gs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Launch commit. Hard. We have liftoff. Apollo 14. 3 minutes past the hour. The tower is clear. There you go. Good enough and all right. Okay, you can roll complete. Roger, roll complete.
In the upbeat, Gary flies the aircraft straight up nearly 1,000 feet before pushing over and driving back down the very same line. And Gary starts off with a big fat loop. Now Gary began flying at 8. Outside Humpty Mountain. That's Gary's favorite.
I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't think about
that. Put out the right end and give us another hammerhead. HEP rating with the Boeing 767, 757, and 737. He also flew the DC-9 in Europe and South America. show off the bottom of the airplane because he keeps that clean too. Come back a half cubic, coming back.
New York. Major Graham is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 2,000 hours in the F-16 and F-117 stealth fighter. Major Graham has also flown multiple combat sorties over the skies of Iraq in support of Operation Northern Watch. Launching Major Graham is our expert maintenance team led by our lead dedicated crew chief, Staff Sergeant Kelly Birchmeyer from Bloomfield, Iowa. He's assisted by our lead avionics technician, Staff Sergeant Keith Shees from Wheaton, Illinois, and our assistant dedicated crew chief, Senior Airman John Whitlock from Era, Texas. And now, ladies and gentlemen, fly-by-wire flight control system similar to the one used on the space shuttle, a side stick controller first used on the F-16, and the powerful GE F-110 engine which produces